Lindoflamm flame-safe acetylene safety device, exclusive to Linde. No other fuel gas can match acetylene for heat delivery. Tailor-made Lindoflamm burners provide greater flexibility, productivity, quality and cost efficiencies. Our automated systems include built-in safety features that can prevent potential hazardous situations from developing. But manual systems rely on the operator to monitor acetylene gas flow. And this may not always be possible when the flame is out of line of sight, or when the operator is otherwise distracted. Inevitably, human error is always a possibility. Now Linde has developed FlameSafe, an innovative solution that optimizes the safety of automized heating processes. When an acetylene flame is extinguished, an ionization electrode actuates a solenoid valve, cutting off the fuel gas within 1 second, preventing the escape of acetylene that is not being burned. Lindoflamm FlameSafe is the first to market on automized burner acetylene safety device. Lindoflamm FlameSafe is very compact and convenient, with easy plug-and-play installation, and works with automized burner systems, and is customized to your burner designs and application needs. Lindoflamm FlameSafe will enhance your company's automized heating processes, providing higher efficiency, enhanced safety, and ease of mind. Lindoflamm FlameSafe acetylene safety device, exclusive to Linde.